आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ और वो टॉपिक है सेल्फ कंपैशन। तो सेल्फ कंपैशन इज नथिंग बट सेल्फ लव। आगे बढ़ने से पहले जो सारे टॉपिक्स मैं कवर करने वाली हूँ अंडर सेल्फ कंपैशन, ये आपके साथ शेयर करने से पहले मैं आपको बोलना चाहूँगी कि मेरी एक कहानी है, ठीक है, जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। तो मैं समझती थी पहले, जब भी मैं सोशल मीडिया देखती थी, कि व्हाट इज़ द सेल्फ लव। हर समय सब लोग सेल्फ लव बोल रहे हैं। आई फाउंड इट वेरी इरिटेटिंग, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग। लाइक आई एम बीइंग एक्सट्रीमली ऑनेस्ट अबाउट दिस, ओके। तो मैं काम करती थी कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में। आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ एज HR एंड देन आई मूव्ड इनटू मीडिया सेल्स। फिर पैंडमिक के दौरान मुझे ये रियलाइज़ होने लगा कि मैं जो काम कर रही हूँ वो मुझे फुलफिलमेंट नहीं दे रहा है। एंड मोर ओवर आई वॉज नॉट डूइंग वेल बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट लाइक दैट सब्जेक्ट। आई डिड नॉट लाइक वॉट आई वॉज डूइंग। बट हैविंग सेड दैट, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि इवन दो मैंने उस इंडस्ट्री में काम किया, देर आर काफ़ी सारे लेसन्स जो मैंने लर्न किए हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में। मैं ये आप लोगों को बता सकती हूँ 100%, ठीक है। तो कुछ भी वेस्ट के लिए नहीं जाता है। बट एनीवे, तो फिर उस समय मैंने ये डिसाइड किया कि आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन पैशनेट अबाउट पीपल डेवलपमेंट, सो लेट मी गेट इन टू दैट फील्ड। I went on to do my certifications. I got, I spent so much money and I thought कि जब तक मैं सर्टिफिकेट मुझे हाथ में नहीं मिल जाता, मैं अपना सेशन स्टार्ट नहीं करने वाली, बिकॉज देन दैट क्रेडिबिलिटी इज़ देयर और मुझे फिर वो कॉन्फिडेंस भी चाहिए कि हाँ, मुझे सर्टिफिकेशन मिल गया तो अब मैं पूरे हक के साथ लोगों को ट्रेन कर सकती हूँ, कोच कर सकती हूँ। तो फिर मुझे मिल गया सर्टिफिकेट। फिर भी जो क्लासेस मैं लेती थी बहुत रेयरली लेती थी और मुझ में वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता था। पता है, मुझे लगता था कि जस्ट फॉर द हैक ऑफ इट, बुकिश नॉलेज की तरह थियोरी में मैं सबको एक्सप्लेन करती थी एंड आई वुड मूव ऑन। बट कुछ महीने बाद क्या हुआ कि मेरे फैमिली में एक बहुत ही डियर पर्सन, ही वॉज नॉट वेल, एंड जिसके वजह से काफ़ी सारा टाइम उसमें चला गया। एंड आई वॉज गेटिंग वरिड ऑल द टाइम कि क्या हो रहा है ये वो, एंड मैं अपने काम पे फोकस नहीं कर पाई। कुछ महीनों के बाद एक दिन मी एंड माई सिस्टर डिसाइडेड कि हम लोग चलते हैं गोवा एक हॉलीडे के लिए, ठीक है। तो वो था 4 सितंबर को। 3 सितंबर नाइट को जब मैं सोने जा रही थी, अचानक से मैं नींद से जग गई और उस समय मेरा जो लिप्स का एरिया है ट्विच होने लग गया। माई शोल्डर स्टार्टेड शेकिंग, आई स्टार्ट शिवरिंग। एंड मैंने सोचा कि ये क्या हो रहा है, लाइक मेरी बॉडी में कोई खराबी तो नहीं है, कुछ हो गया है जो विदाउट कंट्रोल ये सब मेरे फेशियल मसल्स शेक हो रहे हैं एंड मेरा हाथ ऐसे पता नहीं कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा था। फिर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डर गई। आई कुडंट वेट टू गो टू द डॉक्टर टिल द नेक्स्ट डे, एंड पूरी रात में नहीं सोई। फिर उसके बाद मैं गई डॉक्टर के पास, तो डॉक्टर ने सारा चेक किया, इफ एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन। न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट ने चेक किया। सो ही सेड, स्नेहा, इट्स नथिंग बट दिस इज़ हाई स्ट्रेस एंड एंग्जाइटी। तो उस समय तक मुझे पता नहीं था एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज स्ट्रेस, व्हाट इज एंग्जाइटी, व्हाट इज डिप्रेशन, एंड सो आई वुड थिंक दैट या मे बी he is not sure about what he's saying, like how can I be stressed, how can I be anxious, because जो भी हुआ वो पहले हो रखा था। कुछ दिनों से तो हम खुश हैं और अब हम हॉलीडे के लिए भी जाने वाले हैं। एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड मीटिंग डॉक्टर्स वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली, क्योंकि हर बार मुझ में वो डर रहता था कि समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विद मी, even though everybody gave me an explanation, scientifically explained to me, I was not ready to accept it. I would think कि there is something wrong with me, और इतना negative thinking ना कि मैं क्या बोलूँ, like कुछ भी छोटा हो जाता था, I used to think कि it's the worst case scenario has happened to me. And I was not able to focus on my workshops. At that time I used to conduct happiness workshops, because I had also done my happiness certification. But then what happened, I was not doing it wholeheartedly. तो फिर मुझे पता चला कि I'm not really happy within. Why shall I sit and do these workshops? Why shall I talk to people? And everything seemed futile. फिर एक दिन मुझे ये भी माइंड में आता था कि what's wrong with me? People have so much expectation from me, and how can I behave like this? I need to deliver. I need to get those numbers high in terms of my coaching, training, workshops, and all of that. Okay, then that happened, and then slowly I got into therapy. I thought, let me meet a therapist and see, because my psychiatrist told me that You will need to seek therapy, you will need to take medication, you will need to give yourself time. But I was in denial all the time. But slowly, when I gave myself a chance and I started looking deep within, what is the issue, I realized that this stress and anxiety and fear has cropped up over the past few years. It's not a one evening or one night phenomena where all of a sudden something happened and I was like, okay, my body is shivering, my lips are twitching, and this and that. So I was really surprised that actually I have not been giving myself that compassion, that attention that I deserve. I've only been focusing on what others want to hear from me, what others expect. And even though others didn't really expect anything from me, it was an expectation that I built for myself. There were times when I just did not want to do certain things. I didn't want to say yes, but I went ahead and did that. And no matter how much money I spent on my certifications, every time I had a session, I would still not feel confident. And I realized, because the biggest certificate, the biggest validation, the most amount of compassion, the most amount of love comes from only one person, and that is you yourself. And that was me. I was not in love with myself. I was not giving myself time. I was not giving myself attention. I did things even though I did not want to do it. I did not listen to my inner being. And when I started having that conversation with my inner being, I started nurturing that relationship with my inner being, is when things started shifting for me. And तब मुझे पता चला कि सबसे बड़ा वैलिडेशन, सबसे बड़ा सर्टिफिकेट जो हमें चाहिए होता है वो खुद से होता है. एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, अब आप देख लीजिए. चाहे आपको कोई भी ट्रेनिंग दे, कोचिंग दे, थेरेपी दे, कुछ भी दे, कोई कुछ भी बोले आपसे, एडवाइस करे, या तुम वर्कआउट के लिए जाओ, या तुम ये जॉब चुनो, तुम ये करो, वो करो, जब तक आप वो फाइनल डिसीजन नहीं लेते हो, you don't get into that, right? Because you need to decide for yourself, and that is why you yourself are the most important person in your life. So with that in mind, I started doing my sessions, I started coaching, training, and then the entire thing went to a whole new level, because it was something else, right? Because this time, my best friend, my teacher was one, of course, God, universe, my parents, and my inner being, that inner guidance. So yeah, that's my story, and it's so important that I share this with you, because I really hope if you are in your life, in some point in life where you're really running behind other things, you are running behind validation from others, you're not able to say no to people, you're doing things even though you don't want to, you're harming yourself in some way or the other, then I'd say and I'd request you, please stop. This is a wake-up call for you to love yourself truly, madly, deeply. Now I want to talk to you about a very few self-compassion practices that you can also inculcate in your daily life. I made a note of what are the most important ones. It's not limited to these tools, but sky's the limit, However, for the sake of time and to make it interesting for you all, I'm just going to cover a very few topics, okay? So let's start. So here are the 3 key points I want to talk to you about. The first one is inner being connect, the second one is mirror exercise, and the third one is say no. So let me begin with the first one, inner being connect. अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अचानक से अपने आप से कनेक्ट कर पाओगे. कुछ लोग कर पाते हैं, एक्सीलेंट, बट कुछ लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी इमीडिएटली आप अपने आप से बात करोगे, कनेक्ट कर लोगे. तो उसका एक प्रोसेस होता है जो मैंने भी प्रैक्टिस किया है, और वो स्पेशली माई डैड हैज़ पुट दैट इन माई हेड दैट आई नीड टू डू दिस, एंड हाउ टू डू इट इज़ वॉट ही एक्सप्लेन टू मी. तो पहले ना मेरे माइंड में बहुत ज़्यादा चैटर होता था. आई वुड टॉक टू माई सेल्फ ओनली, गिव एन आंसर ऑल्सो, एंड एवरीथिंग इन सो मच नॉइज, इंटरनल नॉइज, डिस्टर्बिंग मी, नो पीस ऑफ माइंड. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज समथिंग दैट आई फॉलो every day, whatever time works for you. Just close your eyes and try to calm down and listen to the silence around you and in you. it's going to be very tough the first few times. How much ever I tried, the maximum attention in that 5 minutes I could give to silence was maybe a minute or a few seconds. Then slowly I build that up. And even now it's not 100%, but begin with 5 minutes and invite that energy to talk to you, to listen to you, to guide you. And then you start asking yourself questions and request that inner being to guide you, because your inner being always wishes the best for you. So try this exercise, close your eyes, focus on silence, and then start asking questions to your inner being. That will be the best guide for you. Okay, so this exercise is very interesting and very powerful. Start with at least once a week for 5 minutes and slowly you can build on it. Do comment below कि अगर आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हो, किया है, तो फिर कैसा लगा, सब कुछ मुझे बताइएगा. सेकेंड वन इज मिरर एक्सरसाइज, जो मैंने लुइस हे के वर्कशॉप में सीखा था. 2006 I attended Love Yourself and Heal Your Life workshop. At that time, all of this was not so popular because social media was not that popular. And it was a phenomenal workshop by my teacher, Shalini Kalra. And these were all principles and teachings of Louis Hay. So it was such a beautiful session. Now, that is where I learnt about the mirror exercise. Now, when you look into your eyes and tell yourself something, it is called an affirmation. Affirmation is a declaration that you make. It could be a positive sentence and it could be a negative sentence too. Now, your job is going to be focusing on both the negative self-talk as well as the positive self-talk. How? Now, you can't build a house on a weak foundation. The foundation that you're setting has to be strong, right? So, in order for it to be strong, it is okay for the unnecessary things to exist and then remove them and then get into doing and putting up things which are important for the building to be strong, right? So similarly, first please tell yourself all that you don't believe in and everything that you feel was a failure attempt. And once you have done that, you're going to tell yourself that, Sneha, it is absolutely fine that this happened, I forgive you, but I do believe that you're going to do a great job going forward. And on that note, I want to tell you, Sneha, I love you. Today is going to be a beautiful day. Today you are going to be successful. And that is how you then nurture that bond with yourself. So practice this also, very interesting, very, very helpful. And the final one is say no. Please start practicing saying no. If at all you can't say no immediately, if someone approaches you, अब समझ लो आपकी दोस्त आपके पास आके बोलती है चलो बाहर चलते हैं, शॉपिंग के लिए चलते हैं, बट उस दिन आप इतने टायर्ड हो कि आपको बस मी टाइम चाहिए, घर पे बैठ के टीवी देखना हो, लेजर ऑन करना है, स्पा के लिए जाना है, कुछ भी हो, बट आप नो नहीं बोल पा रहे हो बिकॉज यू आर फीलिंग बैड दैट शी मीट्स मी वंस इन अ वाइल एंड शी इज कॉलिंग मी. Do not say no immediately if you can't, but instead practice saying, can I get back to you in a while please? I will let you know. I will just check what is it that is scheduled for the day. Use your own words, Hindi, English, Kannada, Konkani, Tamil, whatever you want to use. But build on saying no. Don't just jump and say yes to everything unnecessarily. Think about it. What are the repercussions on your time? What are the repercussions on your relationships at home, immediate relationships? Doing this external activity with a friend or a relative, is it going to impact my day? Hear yourself first. What's important to you? Take some time out, think about it, and then go ahead, say yes or no. And there are millions of ways to say no lovingly without being aggressive but being assertive. So, that's a whole new topic, a whole new session is required for that, but there's so much reading material available everywhere. तो ये 3 points आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ share करना चाहती थी. Please keep them in mind and nurture your connection with your inner being and take time out for yourself. Share this with anyone who you think needs to hear this, needs to give themselves time, needs self-compassion. According to me, everyone does. So share it with everybody and let's interact in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram, sneha.narona, for details on my one-on-one experiences as well as group sessions. Go to sneha.ongraphy.com. There is a ton of learning material and personal growth resources which will definitely help you. Some are free of cost and some are exceptionally priced for you so that it's convenient learning. Yeah, with that, I'm going to end this video. I really hope you enjoyed this conversation, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.